Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to go ahead and introduce the news of products on my right hand. This is the gelato dipping cabinets, ice cream cases. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. The unit's entire length is about like 88.5 inches long. And the depth of the unit is about like 27.75 inches deep. And the overall height of the unit is about like 51.5 inches tall. So as we can see the unit designed, they have a front glass and the top is flat. It's using the stainless steel, so you can put anything on top of it. And when we look in the front, we see the brand's name. And look in the bottoms, the units, they didn't come any wheels from the manufacturers. And on the other side, they mount with the covers, the compressor and the coil system is inside. So we can turn around to see the back of the inside of the units. When we look in the back of the units, we can see they do have a switcher on top of it. The units mount out the LED strips all crossing the units, and with a single button can control it. And they have a two split lids. And when we open it, we will see the manufacturer also offered the overnight caps. And when we opened it, they have a big space at the inner side. Now look in the bottoms, we can see they do have a controllers. And from the manufacturers, they offer the standard of 110 plugs. And these are covers for the for your access the maintenance if you need to change any parts from the condensers and the compressor at the side. And we can take closer to see the inner side dimensions. After we open this overnight caps, we can see the inner side coming with about like 16 holders, and you can put the 16 flavors inside. And the dimensions from the inner side, and dimension for the inner side is about like 82.5 inches long, and the wide about like 22 inches. And the depth of the unit is about like 28 inches. And when we're looking all around the units, we all see the stickers on the side of the units. They come in with the ETL sanitation stickers and diagram, cut sheets informations, also the serial number for the faster service. Looking the right hand bottoms, we can see they have a small drain hose. At these positions, you can clean all the water out. And we can see they have a big stairs on the side too. All the condenser coils and the compressor system is mounting at the below. And also for these holders, the diameters, it is about like 8.5 inches diameters. And when we open these caps, we can see they have some holders at the bottoms, and also they have a space for the storage. So that's what will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.